keep them coming. We need to clear this truck fast. This stack is full. Start a new one over there. Make sure they don't bruise the cherries. All systems are currently showing green across the board, but we need to monitor the peripheral sensors closely for the next cycle. Temperature is holding at 3 degrees, consistent with the batch log. Go.
Approved for transfer.
The concentration levels on sample 4 appear slightly elevated.
Let's run the control again to verify the data.
There's a scratch right here on this one.
On.
Okay, defective, I'll remove it.
The new calibration seems to have stabilized the output here.
Efficiency is up by 15% in this sector.